Automate your applications with pumpable adhesives. Here we would like to share our expertise and how we cooperate with customers, integrators, and machine manufacturers. Talk about potential benefits of automation, challenges with designing pumpable adhesives and fillers, provide examples, and give a little impression about capabilities we do have in-house in this area. So where does our expertise for pumpable adhesives come from? If we are talking to pumping and dosing equipment manufacturers, nearly each adhesive, filler, and sealant is pumpable, but maybe not ideal for automation, as the material or their properties may be affected by the machine. So like mix ratio variations, material sags down after application, parts get contaminated by stringing effects, or easy like material properties are changing after pumping. As 3M company, we are active in different markets and technologies where automation of adhesive played a more important role at an earlier stage. For example, the 3M Pentamix 3 automatic mixing unit. The machine and the impression materials have been designed to operate as dentists around the globe. It provides hygienic, easy and fast, homogeneous and precise dispensing of impression materials with a dynamic mixing nozzle. So maybe you have seen one of those at your dentist's. The technology has been transferred into the car repair sector, where the 3M dynamic mixing system applicator dispenses fillers, sealants, glazes, and adhesives with great success. Furthermore, we are supplying structural adhesives like the structural adhesive SA9820 in the automotive industry, which is well known for their high degree of automation. Until recently, the aerospace industry has not had a critical requirement for automation of pumpable adhesives. However, things are changing and we are part of it and here to help. So what are benefits of automation? There are plenty of different reasons why you want to automate your process. And we have listed some reasons here on this chart, like reduction of the operating costs, enhance safety and efficiency, improve quality, fast predictable production, or optimized floor space. From my perspective, a good approach to automate adhesive applications is to work with all parties together at an early stage. So the customer, the user, the pumping and dosing machine manufacturer or the integrator, and the adhesive supplier like 3M. Like this, informations, best practices, hints, and tips can be exchanged at an early stage. For me, it has been most efficient to understand the automation approach, the application first, and then meet at the potential or selected machine manufacturer and start first screening trials on available test machines. So what are the challenges with designing pumpable adhesives and fillers? Basically, we need to make sure that the machine won't damage the adhesive and its properties, and vice versa. This is an important aspect where we can help to verify if the adhesive properties will remain unchanged before and after the machine. What we used to do is to test certain agreed criteria in a design of experiment approach. And based on the results, we understand the borders of the automation process and can provide good advice. And as mentioned earlier, certain criteria will make the automation of pumpable adhesives easier and avoid issues during scale-up. We have listed some criteria on this chart, like a close mix ratio combined with a balanced viscosity and non-compressible materials or parts will minimize mix ratio variations. Or the right choice of packaging and good filling quality will eliminate defects of the parts. And if you are looking to low density void filling compounds and or core or edge fillers, the right choice of fillers combined with a good viscosity will ensure that density won't change while pumping. One good example of automation of pumpable adhesives are core and edge fillers. Typically used in interior sandwich panel applications with honeycomb core, as shown on the picture on the upper left. The objective of this operation is to fill honeycomb core in areas where reinforcement is required, or to seal the edges of the panel to avoid water migration. Challenges with today's solutions are typically in the area of packaging and pale filling quality, shop and shelf life of one-part products, the already mentioned density increase as the pumping pressure destroys fillers within the core filler, or the honeycomb core itself, and maybe insufficient filled honeycomb cores. Our solutions for edge filling is called 3M Scotch Weld Structural Void Filling Compound EC3550 BA-FSC, a two-part room temperature curing material. And our solution for interior core filling is called 3M Scotch Weld Structural Void Filling Compound, EC3450 FST, a one-part heat curing material. And both have been developed in close cooperation with our customers for those typical interior operations. Close cooperation in development means for us that prototypes have been exchanged in an early stage, and material properties and pumping performance has been evaluated before the launch of the product. As a second example, I would like to highlight the success of DLR and Viscotech to optimize edge sealing operations on monolithic structural composite parts with traditionally qualified materials. Please check the YouTube link on the lower left to see, from my perspective, one of the most impressive automation examples with a pumpable adhesive. The adhesive shown here is our qualified 3M Scotch Weld structural adhesive EC2216BA, a pretty old formulation that has originally not been designed for automation, but performs impressively on modern application technologies. Nevertheless, the product design is relatively close to today's design criteria. Next to the paste adhesives and low-density void filling compounds, we as 3M Aerospace division are as well active in the area of automatic tape layup and tape placement for our adhesive films and composite surfacing films. And first demonstrations have been successfully, and there is hopefully more to come. Finally, we would like to give you a little impression of our European in-house capabilities. In our customer technical center in Neuss, Germany, we do have different application labs. And one of them is a bonding process center, where we invite customers to provide trainings, develop bonding solutions, share expertise, and do demonstrations. If we talk about bonding solutions, we can have a holistic approach from different surface treatments of your substrates to different application methods and technologies, over to different curing possibilities and quality control methods. So please get in contact to us to get more information about possibilities and availability.